Hello, everyone. This is my review of the Mike and Ike Candy Mega Mix. This one has like 10 different flavors in it. And the flavors is Caribbean Punch, Paradise Punch, Kiwi Banana, Pineapple Banana, Peach Berry, Strawberry Banana, Grape Soda, Mango Delight, Watermelon, and Blue Raspberry. So open it up so you can see what the candy looks like. They're like long, kind of long jelly beans. They have a texture and chewiness, and kind of like jelly beans, but different flavors. And they taste pretty good. It's a pretty good candy to snack on in a pinch. And I enjoyed them, and I hope this review helped.